So guys, here I have one of my lovely clients. She came in, she literally saw my videos on YouTube and she was like, I must come to the area to get my hair done. So what I'm showing you guys today is she literally has great case of alopecia. So she went somewhere else, she got her hair done, then she saw that I can do it and I'm really versed in alopecia clients. So she said, let me come on in and give you a try. So what I'm showing you right now, guys, is me taking out of the wig unit that was made and put on for her by another stylist. And in the back of the head, you see from it being there for such a long period of time, it just had some build up in the back. So I told her, don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and get it washed and clean the unit, and this is what I'm doing right now, as you see. So she just came back from the sink, and what I'm going to do now is going to go ahead and just braid down her hair and then braid the back of the hair by the nape of the neck a very particular way so that she do not lose more hair like she was already beginning to lose. So I braided down her hair, and then to the front I told her that I was going to clean up the top because there isn't any hair to the top. So the remaining pieces of hair I cleaned it up, and then I adhere a protective bond to her scalp so that the wig unit itself would not just be laying directly onto her scalp. What I also did, as you can see right now, I'm putting the protective solution onto her head so that when I do put the glue, it would not be directly onto her scalp. Then I put it under the dryer for about 25-30 minutes. It dried, it got nice and solidified, and now she's back in the chair where I am going to go and braid down the cornrows that is on her head so that this wig unit that I'm going to put on her hair would not move. I also told her that because her hair is thinning, we had such beautiful conversation, but I told her because her hair is thinning and it's a lighter texture in here, the unit that was provided for her from the other stylist is a little bit heavier than I would prefer to be on her scalp. So she said she would get one of my units. Right here, I'm putting the glue that I'm using on this protective solution. So it's directly onto the protective solution, not directly onto her scalp. For longevity and for any sort of health benefits to the growth of any kind of hair back in this particular area. I also went in with about 2 to 3 layers of the glue in increments of times where she had to stop, go under the dryer, sit there for 15-20 minutes, let it dry again, then come back and adhere some more glue, because I knew that the unit that she had was a little bit heavier than I would prefer, and I wanted it to adhere to her hair well. I went by the nape of the neck here, guys, and I prepared that with some of the protective solution, and then I coiled it in a somewhat kind of a way like a braid, and then braided it down. I dried it, and then it became really tacky, and then it became hard. This is a technique that I've used for many years when I used to live in Trinidad. It's an old Chinese remedy that guy taught me how to get hair when you don't have hair in the back to create a cornrow. I'm going back in again with another round of the glue. This is the second round. I think I did one more round of it so that when I put the hair, it would not move. When I tell you it wouldn't move, it wouldn't move. She was so lovely, just sitting there chit-chatting. She also said to me that she also did hair back in the day. So some of the techniques that I was using, she was like, whoa, this is such an old type style technique. And I said, yes, I was taught first of all in the island of Trinidad and Tobago by an old Asian guy. So guys, I also washed her unit, put that under the dryer, it dried, and then I'm brushing it out and just giving her some information as regards to the heaviness in this type of unit, which I'd prefer a lighter one. And I told her that AnnasGlamourSalon, we have units that we sell that is particularly for a lot of our alopecia clients, and she said she would pick one up. Then I went in and I just cut a little bit and just made it really exclusively for her head. This is what I'm doing in the back here. And then the cornrow that I made in the nape of the neck, I'm going to go in and sew that down to hold on a lot sturdier. So we got the glue going in the front that is going to be safe, and then we got this sewing in the back so that this unit that she has, which I say is a little heavier than I would like for her, would not move at all. Also behind, you would see some white stuff. That is the protective solution that I put on her hair and the nape of her neck. It's easy to remove. I'm just going to go and get a nice warm towel after I sew the hair to that cornrow, and then I'm going to remove that solution from there. But yes, the strength of the cornrow would still be in place. I just went in and tapered down her hair just a little bit, making a different style to what she had when she came in, and just making it customized to her face, her structure, and the style that she said she was kind of going for. I went in with some tapering cutting just around the ear so that if she has spectacles, the spectacles can fit comfortably on her hair, or on her face I should say rather, with this type of unit. Just customizing it. That's what I like doing here at Anna's Glamour Salon, customizing it to all of my clients. I hope this one brought you some sort of value, guys. If you are ever in the Titusville area, my number is on the screen. You can reach out to me. I have a number of different alopecia clients, and I have a number of different styles that I can use for any given case of alopecia that will be suitable for that particular client. Hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of it now with some music in the back.
I can't let you go. There's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold me close now, baby. I do what I'm told. Still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line. Yeah, you got me shifting the paradigm. No longer wishing. You're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1,000,000 life, yeah. We could roll the dice. Act like you're surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, 'cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm falling. So I never fall. I'm ready to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line. Yeah, you got me shifting the paradigm. No longer wishing. You're my lucky strike. Yeah. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to
do, that's all. You just did what you had to do. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, what do I need to do to keep it like this?
Just wrap it at night like how you usually wrap it.
Okay.
Yeah, put a nice silk
Because I use
scarf
a
on
silk
it.
scarf.
Yeah.
That's all I have to just
That's it. Put the silk scarf and you're good to go.
My. I had a little student that used to tell me all the time. She'd come in the office. My name was Kennedy.